Now notice when he grabs this next part, he looks for the better side. The better side goes away from the operator. That's the finished side that the customer sees. And then he reaches over and he grabs these green things. So those are 3D printed, what would you call it? Part stops, work stops. Basically, they're different lengths. If you're making a 16-inch or a 10-inch or 12-inch, 8, what's another size we do, 6, long pallet, instead of getting out the tape measure or the ruler and having to read it, instead, we just 3D printed these work stops. You just grab the 16 and you put it up and there's your work stop. So you don't really have to think about it. Okay, so what Paul did there, it's easy to miss. He finished loading parts and he's calling up the next pallet on the EC, the machine behind him. So it's running, it's moving pallets. Meanwhile, he's not waiting for that. He's not watching it. He moved right over to the VF2 SS, which just finished. Now he's at our granite surface plate with our Trimos digital height gauge, zeroing it out, taking a reading. Hard to see, I know, when it comes up because of the glare, but that reads 0.9940. Drawing is 0.994. Nailed it. Also, hey, did you notice that? He took a Sharpie and drew on a little pad of paper the dimensions that he needs to check. Now, normally we would have, which we do have a production drawing. We have it up on the screen, or we have an actual physical drawing that's magneted up to the machine. But on this particular part, it is, I think it is a prototype part that we're working on for our Vice pallet. Working name is a Vice pallet. We'll rename it at launch day. But he is checking that 0.994 height of the part. And so instead of looking at a drawing and hunting around or highlighting or circling, he just sketches it out just to make it big and bold. And then he goes in and he's able to just know exactly what he needs to look for. It's kind of like Cliff Notes for drawings.